What's going on YouTube? I was back with another video. How's everybody doing? Just doing a quick market update for everybody, update my audience. Everybody watches my channel. If you haven't been following me on Twitter or Instagram, you probably missed this piece of information. So I decided to come on here to give everybody just a little, kind of sharing my thoughts on the market, what's going down, what decisions I've made. So just to update everybody, I'm not here to scare you in any way, shape, or form. It's nothing to be scared about, especially if you know a strategy, you're sticking to your strategy. You should have anticipated this, right? You should have anticipated, a big correction. I actually sold the top, and I recently, a couple of hours ago, I sold again. So if you guys been following my story, essentially, I sold the top, bought back in Ethereum at around the $2,300 price range, all the way up to $2,700. And I put a large amount of capital in after selling. So I sold like about 25 to 30% of my portfolio. And then I bought back in at the bottom. Now, recently, we obviously had that V-shaped recovery. We had the market kind of come back pretty decent to a point where Ethereum even hit $3,000. ETH kind of came back. It didn't come back fully, right? And we were looking to see if this was true manipulation. That was pretty much all I was looking for was, is this true manipulation where they're going to, basically trying to dump the market, trying to get some cheap Bitcoin, got right back in, V-shaped recovery, we're going to the moon? Or is it, just too much FUD? And maybe there's too much risk on the short term, right? I just want to be very clear with everybody. I sold a couple of hours ago, but that does not mean I'm not going to get back in immediately, okay? When I see something changing, I'll keep you guys updated to what I thought, but I do think it's a good time to get rid of some risk. There's nothing wrong with capitalizing on the gains that we've been making for the past year, right? Take some risk off the table. If you're wrong, you lose 8%, right? You lose 8%, maybe 10%. Use a small percentage, because if this market turns bullish again, and it doesn't mean I'm a bear, I'm just saying, if this market does, and my gut is telling me it will, we're going to 100K Bitcoin, and we're going to maybe at 8 to 10K Ethereum if this market goes bullish again. But I'm not willing to hold that risk right now. Right now is not the time to just diamond hands everything when it could be the highest likely chance of a market top. The most serious it's ever been. Now, again, I just want to be very clear with everybody. I have it set up to where I can get in and out of the market very fast for less than a penny almost instantaneously. So there's nothing wrong with selling, getting rid of some risk, and then making a re-entry into the market, right? You don't want to hodl all the time. This was the mistake I made in 2017, the last cycle. This was the big mistake, is that I didn't get rid of all my crypto. I just didn't take profit. You don't want to have that limiting belief, guys. I just want to be very clear. I did not sell everything. I sold about 50% of all of my cryptocurrency. When ETH was, I sold it at about $3,000 ETH. Okay, I made a sell call in my group. I pretty much got out, but I can get in very quickly, specifically with, you guys will see in my next videos, where I'm talking about layer 2 solutions to trading, and they're really good solutions, even better than centralized exchange. It doesn't go down like a centralized exchange. It's cheaper than a centralized exchange and faster. Very, very interesting product coming over from Polygon that I've been using, QuickSwap, that you guys can use to trade your Ethereum, BTC, whatever the case is. They have a lot of altcoin pairs as well. But for altcoins, I'm pretty much I sold a lot of them this morning to Ethereum, and then I took risk off the table off of Ethereum with 50% of all my cryptocurrency portfolio, kind of pretty much even through the board. I sold some altcoins as well, okay? So again, guys, a lot to deal with. There's certain things that are gonna make you make irrational decisions, like sleep deprivation. If you haven't slept, guys, sleep before you make a decision, right? Really think about stuff. Maybe you need to talk to somebody. This is definitely something that you want to take serious, and you want to have a real strategy for, guys. You guys want to be taking this. This is why I've been trying to prepare you guys for so long to make your own decisions, because these things happen very fast. And when they do, you better react, okay? You better react. Don't sit there and wait to just hold. Guys, don't hold the bags if it's unnecessary, is what I'm saying. And if you're already at a loss, sometimes it's still better to cut your losses and move on. Again, I just want to be very clear. I know I'm sounding very bearish, but I am actually bullish. I'm just smart and bullish, okay? I'm not leaving this risk on the table when I can actually make a gain on the downside, get right back in, and accumulate more ETH. I can get more ETH and more Satoshis by making this play, and I can get some sleep. Nice to have this heart-to-heart with you guys. If you like the quality of this content, hit like. If you don't, leave some constructive criticism. Subscribe for more video updates. And like I always say, if you don't get with it, you will get left behind. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Catch you in the next one. Follow me on Twitter for like really quick updates. And then follow me on Instagram for like the behind the scenes stuff, guys. I post there when I can't post here. Please hit me up. Talk to you guys in the next video.